My name's Robin Palmer, and I'm an educator in Tempe, Arizona. And today I'm going to be videotaping the active learning tool called Spoons. This active learning tool is played like the regular Party Spoons game, where students are trying to find matches and then grabbing a spoon from the table. This activity can be used as an introductory activity if you're introducing concepts to students, or you can use it at the end of a lesson or even the end of a unit to review all of the terminology that the students have used. The activity is conducted the same way that you play the Spoons game at a party. So students are trying to find matches between two words. That could be a definition and a vocabulary word. It could be a vocabulary word and examples. Cards are passed from the dealer around to the students, and they are looking for a match. So they're going to look at what card they want to keep and what one they want to pass on, and then you continue feeding in cards from the deck. As a student finds a match, they're going to grab a spoon as quickly as possible. When the other players see that the first player has grabbed a spoon, they want to grab a spoon as quickly as possible. There's going to be one player left without a spoon, and he's eliminated from that round. When you set up this game, you need to have a spoon master. So that person's going to be in charge of putting the spoons on the table, and they will also be in charge of checking to make sure that the player who thinks they had a match actually had a match.
Things that are special to you, such as getting a haircut, going to pedicure, going to the gym, throwing a party for your birthday.
Specific to you, and yes, I was right.
Right?
The person who said they have a match does not have the correct answer, then they are eliminated from the next round, and play continues with the remaining students. So you can see this is a highly energetic competitive game. The students have a lot of fun, and one of the reasons I like it is even if the students don't feel totally familiar with the material, they are getting those vocabulary words and definitions reinforced as they see those cards over and over again. If you have a big classroom, you can split the kids into 2 or 3 different groups. You would just use the same deck of cards repeated over and over. Or if you want to review at the end of a unit, you could have different decks of cards that apply to different concepts that you have taught. It's a fun activity. It takes some preparation on your part. You're going to have to get the cards ready ahead of time and get the spoons. But you'll see by the amount of fun the students have that it's a great activity and well worth the time that you put into your preparation.